All right, so we have a new integration with PPG Paint Manager. Instead of XMLs, you could just open the RO, hit the $sign, run invoice, default repair order invoice. It's going to generate a PDF for you. And then all you have to do is save that PDF and you'll be able to drag and drop that into Eagle. So same as always, you would open up one of your repair orders where you've already run the calculator with estimate volumes. So this is the estimate volume version, right? Just with the surface area generated mappings. And then if I want to import from PPG, I can drag that XML file, PDF or XML. We support both ways now. So it's going to parse that PDF we just generated, import yes, and now this is the new invoice view. So all of that fluids data from the PDF is now on the invoice. So that should work a lot better than XMLs for people who are having export issues with Paint Shop interface. So